In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Perplexity. By the end, you'll feel confident attaching a document and asking precise questions about it so you get clear, useful answers. First, open your Perplexity account. Sign in as you normally would and head to a fresh conversation so your file and your questions stay organized in one place. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that the file you want to upload is saved and easy to find on your device. If you're working with private or sensitive material, take a moment to double-check that it's appropriate to share. Next, click the Attach Files icon. You'll find it right beside the message box where you type your prompt, typically represented by a small paperclip. Clicking it will open your device's file browser. Perplexity generally works well with common formats like PDFs, text documents, spreadsheets, and images. If your file is very large, give it a moment to process. While it's uploading, avoid refreshing the page or navigating away. You'll usually see a file name, a small thumbnail, or a progress indicator that confirms the upload is underway and then complete. Now, locate your file and select it. Navigate to the folder where you've stored the document, choose the correct file and confirm. If you're dealing with a long or complex document, it helps if the file name is clear and descriptive so you can spot it easily. Make sure the file opens normally on your device and isn't password protected, as that can prevent it from being read. Once selected, you should see the file appear below the message area, confirming it's attached and ready. Finally, type your prompts regarding this file. Be specific about what you want. For example, you could ask for a concise summary of the document, a list of key takeaways, an explanation of specific sections, or an outline that you can turn into slides. If the document is lengthy, mention the parts you care about most, such as page numbers, headings, or topics, so the response stays focused. You can also request structured output, like bullet-style summaries or step-by-step analyses to make the results easier to skim. If anything looks off, refine your prompt and clarify your goal. Follow-up questions can reference the same attached file, so there's no need to re-upload. That's it. Open your Perplexity account, click the Attach Files icon, locate and select your file, and then type clear, targeted prompts. With these simple steps, you'll turn any document into actionable answers in no time.